And welcome another day of wet weather across Northern California. Look at here, live look at Stockton right now. You can see slick streets and parking lots as people pack the malls for Black Friday shopping.
And freshly fallen snow has blanketed the high country. Look at that. Live pictures from our Sierra at Tahoe camera. Ski resorts have fresh powder, of course, but traffic, boy, is it a little tricky out there. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Adrienne Moore.
And I'm Tony Lopez. CBS 13's meteorologist Darla Givens is here today to talk about the conditions from the Weather Center. Hi, Darla.
Hey there, you guys. And we're still looking at some snow showers across the Sierra and some rain here in the valley. As I zoom in here on our Titan HD, you can see the white areas that we see. That is snow continuing to fall across the high country. Do not travel tonight. You'll want to delay your trip until tomorrow. As I pull out, you can see valley rain is continuing. Some areas are starting to see some dry patches of rain, but what's going to happen, we'll continue to have some rain showers overnight through the valley, tapering off by tomorrow morning. So the rain continues here in the valley. Snow continues in the high country, but the snow levels right now pretty high above the passes, and we're going to see the snow turning into rain by tomorrow morning. So here's what we can expect ahead. This is what we're looking at. The rain showers continue overnight. We'll see high elevation snow, but tomorrow morning that snow will turn to rain, and we'll see some winds here in the valley at around 25 miles per hour. Those are going to be some of the stronger wind gusts, and we'll see steady winds at around 15 miles per hour. I'll have your Saturday shopping forecast for you. Doesn't that sound good?
Another day of shopping. Why not?
Another day of shopping. Why not?
Small Business Saturday.
Business Saturday. That's right.
Perfect, Darla. Thanks. We'll see you soon. So traffic is slow going if you're headed up the hill this weekend.
Yeah, CBS 13's Rachel Wolf is live at Boreal with a look at the driving conditions there.
Oh, it is getting chilly here. I can assure you of that. We've got lips chattering. We've got slow traffic. Actually, it's been a little bit slow and go on and off throughout the day. All I have to say is pack your patience. For Aaron Hernandez, it's the work before he goes to work.
The owners have said I can get started on helping people out with their chains. It's just not while I'm on the clock as a cashier.
He works at this gas station and a local ski resort, so chains are just part of his daily routine.
I'm just getting these on because, you know, snow's just going to be piling up more and more. Need to have these on by the time I get off, you know, so I can get out okay and I'm not buried, you know.
Others aren't quite as experienced.
I'm just trying to keep them straight. Can't seem to get them inside there.
Yoni Dayan and his family traveled from Davis to spend the weekend at their family cabin.
I'm fairly seasoned.
Does it get any easier?
No. I mean, it's worse when the snow's worse. Today's not too bad.
Putting chains on takes some getting used to. Better read the instructions before you hit the snow line if you want to snap pics of that first Sierra snowfall. So no chain controls right now. There were some earlier at Kingdale, but that has been actually eliminated. But again, check the Caltrans website. Just a reminder, do not drive on I-80 faster than 35 miles an hour with your chains. Some folks were doing that earlier. We saw some skidding and then traffic halted. So again, slow and go if you're heading up this way. Back to you.
Yeah, definitely. All right, Rachel, thanks so much. And we're going to tackle some of those chain restrictions for you right now. I-80 has no chain restrictions for you right now. Highway 50 does have controls in effect from Kybers to Myers. Highway 88, chains are required from Kirkwood to Pickett's Junction, and on Highway 89 from Pickett's Junction to near Luther Pass.